Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today video, I will to show you how to solve this push-up problem. And for this push-up problem, it's called array push-up. So before start to solving this problem, I want all of you to like, share, and subscribe my channel first. And if you want to see this problem first, you can pause my video, and when you solve it already, you can turn back and watch the answer. Okay, so for this array to solve, we need to find the pattern of each element of this array. And you need to find the relationship between this element and this element, or this element and this element. Okay, so for the first row and the first column of this array, it contain the same element. Okay, so we need to think about this cell first. Why the value of this cell is 3, and why the value of this cell is 5, and why the value of this cell is 7. Okay, so if I sum the value of this cell and this cell, so the value will be 3. So 3 is the value of this cell. Okay, so if I continue sum uh, the value of this cell and this cell, so 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 7 is, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, so for the second row, we already find the pattern. Okay, so the next step, we need to think about this value and this value. Why this cell value is 5 and why this cell value is 8. So if we continue for follow this pattern, you can see that if I plus 2 and 3, so the value will be 5. And if I plus 3 and 5, the value will be 8. So if I continue plus 5 and 7, so the value of this cell will be 12. Okay. So next, we need to follow this pattern again. So if I sum 3 and 5, so the value of the cell will be 8. And if I sum 5 and 8, the value of this missing cell will be 13. And if I continue sum 8 and 12, so the value of the cell will be 12. Okay, so right now we solve this problem and we find the missing element. Okay, so if you like my video about array push-up, please comment below and we'll create more video like this for all of you. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.